What's that? I now have an Accu level basketball goal off in the gym. What up, y'all? Today on Jeff Does What, I added a basketball goal to the gym. Not just any basketball goal, but the Accu level. This thing is awesome. I'm able to sit here and raise and lower this thing to wherever I need it, and I have a place where I can shoot some hoops in between workouts, laser engraving, embroidery, whatever it is I'm doing to help pass in more time. Now, depending on how you set this beauty up, it's able to go all the way down to 5'3" or up to 10 foot. Now, to get to 5'3", we do have to take out one of them back poles, but it's real simple and easy to do. I won't ever need it that low, but it's really easy to adjust the height on. So right back here, back behind the unit, I have this nice little lever right here, which I'm able to crank whichever way to lower it or to raise it up. So, and then also they have the numbers laser etched onto this. So as you see, they're on there, so it makes it easier to see where you are setting the height of the goal. Now coming back here, you see we got this nice level on here. We also got an adjustment right up here, so we can help adjust level to make sure this is exactly where it needs to be, so you're not constantly hitting the rim whenever you're not trying to hit the rim, because your rim's like that. This, we're able to level it out quick and easy. Now, me personally, I played basketball back in high school. Wasn't good at it. Too short, not strong enough, not fast enough. But I liked playing it. And I've always wanted a goal of my own again. Ever since I was a kid, I had one. But once I became an adult, never had time, never got around to getting one. And when Accu Level asked if I wanted this, oh, you better believe it. Because I wanted to be able to shoot some hoops just randomly throughout my day or something to help calm myself down. Like I said, I own my own business and I can get stressed out, and basketball is a good way to release some stress other than the gym. So I want to have multiple options to choose on ways I can relieve my stress, and that's where this is going to come into play. As far as stability of this thing goes, we're able to load it down with water or sand. I mean, if you want to, you can probably put concrete in there. But this thing is able to be real stable and sturdy. Like that way you're able to move it around fairly easy with just one person. Now, like I said, putting it together is a whole nother deal. I do recommend having two people put this together, which if you want to see how this is put together, stick around to the end of the video. I do go over step by step on how this goes together. And in reality, if I had two people, it would have took me about 15 minutes. By myself, I struggled a little bit, which I do point out in there where you need that second person, and it's mainly attaching that backboard to the upright post, because it is a chore trying to get it on there by yourself. But once it's there, you ain't got nothing to worry about. Like I said, one person can do it. It's going to take you about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on how everything wants to go. If you got two people, you're talking 10 to 15 minutes. Now, another little feature of this, we got that right there, which so whenever the ball comes in or if something happens, we got something to help spit that ball back out towards us, so we're not having to constantly go behind and chase it. Yeah, you're still going to have to chase it some, but not nearly as much, because that right there is going to catch it a lot of the times, because you're shooting center. So the way they have that lined up should stop a lot of your chasing balls wherever they're not supposed to be. Loving this thing already. I mean, it ain't been up but just a few days, and now for those of y'all who don't want to stay to the end of the video to watch how this is put together, I do want to point out these bolts right here. There's plenty of adjustment, so whenever you're lining this up to make sure your bubble's level, these can be loosened real easy to fix that movement. Now this right here, this knob, is what's pushing your backboard like that. So we got plenty of adjustments to make sure we have everything exactly where we need to be to make for the best gameplay possible. Now, will this goal stay here? Probably not in that exact spot. I do have a nice concrete pad outside in my dog's area, so we'll probably end up setting it out there. But if I wanted to have it inside, it's able to be moved around real easy. Like I said, them two rollers right there makes it where I can sit here and maneuver it, no issues throughout the shop, because I've moved it a few times in here already. Now, if I'm trying to haul this 200 foot, might be a little bit more of an issue, but not too bad of one, because I mean, in reality, you can pick this up for two people and move it no problem. But with these wheels, it makes me where I can maneuver it, hide it off in that corner if I need to pull a truck in, or drag it on outside to the concrete, whatever I'm wanting to do with it. It's real easy to move around. Like I said, it's portable. I mean, it's all it comes down to it. You're able to level this thing out extremely easy, and it's portable to move it wherever you want to use it. Now, I know a basketball goal is different than what I normally do on this channel, but it's sports, it's fitness, it's something to help keep you active. And the more active you are, especially the older you get, the better your health tends to be. Like I said, I've been this past year, I've changed up my lifestyle a lot, and this is another one of them things to help keep me motivated into more of a healthy lifestyle. And hope you want to go down that rabbit hole with me as well. Now, I do have the link down below on where you can pick up this Accu level basketball hoop. Like I said, it does help me out if you click that link, but at the same time, you don't have to use my affiliate link on there. You can just go directly to their page if you want to. Like I said, affiliate links are what helps keep this channel afloat, and I appreciate every single one of y'all. Till next time, y'all take it easy. Now, as we get ready to put this hoop together, like I said, there is not just a whole lot of parts. This should go together fairly easy. There's not, like I said, anyone with basic knowledge on putting stuff together should have no issues. Like I said, they do have some good detailed instructions in the book. And let me show you real quick how this goes together. Now, as we start things off, we have our main upright. Like I said, these three poles are each held together with a screw connecting three of these for our main upright post. Now we're going to insert the pole through there. There's 2 bolts that will stick throughout the bottom. We got a little metal plate right here, and then we got 2 washers and 2 nuts that are holding this up right on here. Now as you're doing this, sometimes it can be helpful to have a second person, but we got not a whole lot going on here. Like I said, I got these 2 down bars going on. They're bolted down there, and we got a bolt going through right here, and we'll have a nut holding this all together. Like I said, this thing's going together simple and easy. Now as we continue putting this together, like I said, we have like our ball rebounder right here. Like I said, these, each one's going to take 2 bolts and 2 nuts. Like I said, it'll go through. And as you're doing it, this stuff basically snaps right into place. Making it for a nice, quick, and easy install as well. And with everything being channeled, makes it that much easier. Like I said, barely even have to pay attention on putting this stuff together because everything is nicely positioned exactly where it should be and having no issues. Now this is one of the points where I do wish I had a second person to help me hold this on while I line everything up, but it's still no big issue getting it on there. Just make sure you have your washer and lock washer on these nuts. And then torque everything to spec. There's ain't much to it. Now as we come to the back side, we got this bracket right here. And like I said, it's going to take 3 of these bigger, stubbier bolts. And get these on here, get them tight. Now one thing about this bracket, there's actually some play in here where AccuLevel made it where you are able to adjust this to make sure you keep your goal level. And to make sure it's level, we have this level that is going to bolt right down here. Now at this point, went on and installed our net as well. That way, all that's on here down low, easy to install at this point. Or at this point, we're actually going to need something to lay this down on. So I just grabbed one of my benches, and we're going to take this bracket, and it's going to bolt right back here. It's going to bolt right back here. Like I said, we'll take this one big bolt and get it through. And we're about to have some other stuff that's going to be coming off of this mount. So what we got going on here, we have this long bolt that's going all the way through this. We got these 2 rods right here on the outside. Well, washers on the outside of nuts. We got our spacer. And so that way we have our good gapping and spacing like we need to. Now nothing's tight yet. I'm just showing you. So we got bolt going through. K, 11, 11, K, washer, nut. Now back here on this further bolt hole, we have the J1 J pieces, and it's basically the same setup we had up here. So that way you know exactly how it is. Like I said, bolt, washer, J, 11, 11, J, washer, nut. Now this next part, if you have a second person, do bring them in. It'll save you a lot of headache and make it a lot easier on yourself. Like I said, my bench itself was a little too short of where I needed it to be. And I had 2 long bolts and 4 washers on each bolt that we needed to go through these poles we just installed so we could connect the backboard to the upright. And if you're trying to do that by yourself, it is a pain in the butt. But I have them in there, and let me show you real quick. So as you look right here, that bolt and that bolt went all the way through, came out to these nuts. Now there's, like I said, we got a washer here, got a washer in there, and same thing on this side, and the same thing for up there on that other one. Next part, solder crank handle. Like I said, we'll pull that up. That little cotter pin goes through there. Put that back down. Now, we'll just install this little bracket right here. 2 little 1/2 millimeter bolts. And while we're back here, we'll go on and install our cranking mechanism there. Let's get it installed on the other end. Now this right back here, it's basically the same thing as what we've done over here. We got our bolt going through, washer. We got these plastic pieces, washer, bolt. Oh, but also now we can tighten all this down. Hey, also don't forget we have ball storage right down underneath there. And with this, helps keep the elements off that basketball to make it in return last longer. And with that, this is all put together. This thing is amazing. Simple, put together. Take it indoor, outdoor, easy to level. Accu Level did this right.